Dude! It closed up! Whoa! It closed up! Oh, that shit would stink!
The whip of black leather. Rock on.
Doing the valet parking today. Never done the valet before, have you?
In addition to those two admissions, we now offer another tour known as the Dam Tour. This provides you with everything the previous admission tickets allow, as well as 2 extra stops inside the dam itself for an additional 30 minutes of information and exciting views of the interior of Hoover Dam. The Dam Tour leaves
A&W store.
with the last Dam Tour leaving at 3:45 p.m. All ticket sales end at 5:15 p.m. We look forward to seeing you and have a good day. Currently, we're offering 3 types of admission.
This is on AM radio.
Doors open at 9 a.m. First, we have the visitors.
We pretty much know what we need to know there. Alright, we are finally at the Hoover Dam. This place is just huge. It's looking down from it. And a nice view of the valley right there with the bridge.
Not the Valley of Death.
I don't know how many feet that is, but yeah, I don't feel like jumping that. And there's all the power lines coming from it. Visitor center, traffic, and over there is Lake Mead. So I guess we'll try and do the damn tour. I'm out. Hey everybody, welcome to Lake Mead. And we just got welcomed by a street sweeper. Alright, now that we're past that, take in the beautiful view of the lake.
Man-made.
Look like look like a marina or something down there. Not really sure.
According to Hoover Dam, it's 100% man-made.
Then they say it's the biggest man-made lake in the States.
Yep. U.S.
Nice sized campground down there too.
Probably not even cold.
Probably not. Wait, those look like actual permanent trailers right there.
Yeah.
It looks like some old hotels or something. What did it say on the tour? It could actually hold like 2 years worth of water even if it didn't rain.
Yeah, from the Colorado River. And the harbor.
Yeah. There's actually a view deck over there. Alright, it's been a hell of a trip, man.
Vegas.
So, I gotta open this. Why do they put the caps that are so hard to open?
Open them up.
Alright.
We're gonna get our beer from Walmart.
I'm fucking ready. Yeah, we bought this shit at Walmart. Alright, JMC, you ready?
Yes.
To Vegas.
To Vegas. To Death Valley. To the Hoover Dam.
To Dusty.
To Dusty.
Can I still get great service?
And to the Grand Canyon.
And to the Grand Canyon.
Back to the camera.
Cool. Alright guys, we are now approaching the dam. We did the tour yesterday, so we didn't get over to that side, which over there is the Arizona side. We're still in Nevada. Colorado River, and that's going to be the dam bypass. As of November, they're going to open that up. And they got all the tours on this side right here, the Nevada side. Colorado River. Over there on the other side is Lake Mead. Beautiful place though. And all those power lines coming off. And right there's the tour center. That there too. Looks kind of copper right there.
It's probably all copper.
That brass door wouldn't be here if you weren't here. So he says.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, there's our dude.
Hell yeah. He was funny. So there you go. Colorado River, the dam bypass, and Lake Mead in Arizona. And Nevada. Yeah, there's the copper doors, or the brass doors, I mean.
Yeah, where we came out.
Yeah, I kid you not, those doors are actually pure solid brass and copper.
Yeah.
And there's Arizona. I guess we can't say goodbye to Nevada yet since we gotta go back to catch the plane. So yeah, we'll be going back through here then.
Oh, farewell for now.
Yeah, for a couple days anyway. And now we're leaving the dam. I think we can get some good views from up there.
Oh, yeah.
Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the dam crossing. Peace. Alright, guys, we're now driving in Arizona right now, heading towards Flagstaff. And as you can see, it's much like Pennsylvania. Can't get away from all this construction.
But at least every one of the construction workers is actually doing something.
Yeah, it ain't like you see four guys standing around doing nothing with a thumb up their ass, and then they're watching like the newbie guy.
The prospect.
Okay, we're coming up on another sign, guy. But it's almost like the landscape drastically changed all of a sudden.
It's all hills.
Yeah.
Instead of barren wasteland.
It's no Death Valley, that's for sure.
No.
And there is a shitter. Guys, after we got done rocking out the motorhead there, we just now got some gas got on the interstate. I guess it's I-40 East.
Yep.
And 75-mile-an-hour speed limit. Gotta love it. Some scenes here. We're about 170 miles outside of Phoenix right now. And I'm thinking this actually parallels historic Route 66 here. Not to mention gas is a lot cheaper over here too.
That beats the $4 that we would have spent in California.
One good thing, this thing's a little econo box.
Yeah, they're $275.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's probably cheaper than at home actually. I'm not sure though.
Well, gas probably went up in the 5 days we've been out here.
Yeah, who knows? Anyway, we'll have some stuff for you from the canyon, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we made it to Williams, but there's a little catch. The damn hotel don't open for another 2 hours. It's like a privately owned hotel. But this is a little view of the town here, the main drag. Not quite Vegas, but yeah, you get the idea. This is actually historic Route 66 that actually runs through here. And little Pete's Gas Station Museum, whatever that is. That might be neat to check out. Anyway, we'll see you later. 2, 3. Alright, we're taking a little walk through Williams here. It's about 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock here, 10 o'clock at home. Feels like 10 o'clock.
Feels like 10 o'clock.
There is Route 66 right there. Historic Route 66 goes from LA to Chicago. But I known about the hotel deal, we should have drove it, you know. That'd have been cool. And as you can see, gas is a lot cheaper here than in California.
We just had a big old mock gunfight right over there.
Oh, you said you got some video of it.
Yeah, 10 minutes of it, then the camera died.
Oh, still.
The dudes first set off their guns, 4 little kids started crying.
Oh yeah?
That's pretty loud.
Can't wait to see the footage. There's the government offices if you go off to the right, but screw the government. Before we get ran over. It's kind of a ghost town a little bit, I mean traffic-wise. Actually, it feels kind of cool out here.
Yeah.
And Native America, that's, well, what kind of, I guess that's like an Indian store. How's it going?
Show, guys.
Hey, thank you. Glad you
enjoyed it.
They got TV. There's that old 60-something Ranchera sitting there on a, it looks like a Bronco frame or something. Looks pretty cool. I told Dad about that and he's like, what is it, was it like mine? I'm like, no, it's older. He had a 77 right before he got his old 78 F100.
Yeah.
Royal American Inn. Look at the sky over there. That looks cool through the camera here. I was just chillaxing. We got no TV in our room, but luckily they gave us free Wi-Fi. So I kind of spent 2 hours catching up on Facebook and DudeBurnation.com, where I frequent Not really. Vegas kept me occupied. So yeah, tomorrow there will be vids of the Grand Canyon coming up. We kind of give up on that platform though. Yeah, I looked it up online. It's $29 to get in, but then they don't talk about the $50 bus ride to get there, and you can't take pictures off of it. So, well, scratch that. We're gonna do the South Rim. But yeah, it's a nice town here. Yeah. Yeah, I could see myself living in a town like this.
Everybody knowing everybody.
Yeah, it's... What do you think? It's probably about the size of Newville. Maybe a little bit...
smaller.
Yeah. I don't see a red light. Oh, look, there's some pussy. Cat.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Icky needs a playmate. You should take him home. You sure? Kitty. Look. I'm such an idiot. Oh yeah. I tell you what, that T-bone at Denny's really hit the spot today. The T-boner.
Yeah, still good.
There's that 71 MG midget for sale. For the low price of $3,500 if any of you are interested.
Hey.
I'll guarantee it wasn't that much new though. But it's like, you don't find any cars down here that are rusted out like up, you know, at home. I have yet to see a Ford Tempo though. And I'm sure y'all heard about Paris Hilton getting arrested 2 days before we landed there. Serves her right. Which place did I get this necklace at?
That was back there.
Yeah, they were pretty cool.
Authentic 66.
But that Pete's Garage, I don't know, that guy was eyeing me down like I wasn't supposed to be there.
We're Vegas.
Roadway Inn. I guess you could say this is like a mini Gettysburg, in a way.
Yeah, something like that.
Ooh, time for a drink. Alright guys, if I don't check back tonight, well, tune in. We'll be at the Grand Canyon tomorrow. Peace, brothers.